Wow, this is how it looks after 3 hours. But wait a minute, let me show you how to make this natural antibiotic for coughs and flu kwa watoto, in children and even in adults. First, you need to have purple or red onion, chop it or grate it. You choose what works for you. For me, I chose to grate it into small pieces like that. Then make sure you have organic or real or original honey, not the fake one. Pour it on top of the onions that you have grated. You can even choose 2 or 3 onions depending on the number of kids or the amount you want to prepare. Then make sure you mix this together and be generous with the honey. Okay, sometimes you have to make sure it covers the onions, but for me I just wanted a tablespoon or 2 for this how do I put it, for this recipe. Okay, so make sure it stays for like 2 to 3 hours. Then after 4 hours or 3 hours, you cover it up. First of all, you cover it up for those 3 to 4 hours because naturally onions absorb bacteria as well. So you cover it up, and then after that, this is how it looks like. And give it to the kids 4 years and above, or to adults, a tablespoon for like 1 times 3. Voila, no more coughs. Bye. See you in the next.